This is my version of Nam Tok Noa. It's a Thai beef salad and it's one of the many delicious things I show you how to make on my TV show, Just Jen. On the show, I take you on a journey through all the feels. So each episode explores a different emotion or a state of being, and I dive into some real issues like mental health, female empowerment, and cultural identity. So whether you're feeling sad, snuggly, or sexy, I share how I try to navigate those feelings through bomb-ass recipes and crafts to help you feel like your best self. It's on Tastemates Network. Did you know they make long-form TV programming now? It is so awesome, and it's now available on your major streaming and cable platforms. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find out where to watch. Season 1 was so much fun to make last year. It was an incredible experience. A lot of amazing humans and hard work in and out of the studio went into creating the show for you all. I deeply appreciate their loving support throughout the whole process, and I'm forever grateful for this little family we've become.
Cool. Now it's starting to get better and better, and you can see clearly.
Yeah! And I guess we just like working together so much that we decided to do it all over again this year. So I am happy to announce that we are back with all new episodes for season 2. That's 4. So in this new season, I share my journey of self-discovery through personal stories from my own life. I was painfully shy as a child. The only time I felt fierce was during family karaoke. I would grab that mic and sing my heart out, sway my hips, and for that moment, that shy little girl was gone. I'm a Sagittarius, we're a fire sign, so we're known to be a little wild and unpredictable. Leo's a Pisces, so he's a water sign. I add fire to his life, and he puts out my blazing flames when I've gotten into some crazy shit. And we also had amazing guests come over who shared so much fun energy and insight. I can't wait for you to hear all about their stories. And dancing, there's like a shit ton of dancing. Representation matters, folks, and I hear it from you guys all the time. As someone who doesn't often feel American enough or Asian enough, and someone who's learning about the importance of addressing mental health and body image issues. It means a lot to me that our Tastemade family believed in this brown, Filipino Thai, plus-size girl from Queens enough to make a whole show. Season 2 premieres this Monday, August 12th at 8 p.m. You can catch up on all of Season 1 right now on Hulu. Yeah, Hulu, baby. So go ahead, grab a friend this weekend and binge watch all of the fun from Season 1. I would love it if you tuned in for Season 2, and if you like it, share it with your loved ones. Tell them that there's a show of a silly chick who's apparently a dragon that can also show you fun things you could do with an eggplant when you're feeling sexy. Check out the link in the description for more info on how to watch this show. I am so excited for this, and I hope you guys are too. Thanks for being you, for being awesome, for being kind, and remember to just eat life.